Sophie here. I'm going to show you how to make one of the healthiest breakfasts in the world. Okay, so here we are. Breakfast, some say, is the most important meal of the day. I don't know, I'm on the fence about that. But one thing I know for sure is when you break your fast, it's really important that you get all the nutrients you need to set you up for success during the day, meaning that you have energy, you have vitality, and you fed your body with lots of phytonutrients. So this is one of the healthiest breakfasts in the world. Okay, so here we have the healthiest breakfast that you could eat. So we're talking about a fruit salad, essentially, but it's a fruit salad with some extras in it. So in this fruit salad, the best case scenario would be to have strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, so it has some fresh organic berries. You could do some pear and some apple, which are wonderful low sugar fruits, cantaloupe melon, full of vitamins. And so you just want to have a really lovely large fruit salad with your favorite organic seasonal fruits in there. Now, the other thing that you can add, which is delicious, is some beans, basically, garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. You know, you can add 1/4 cup or even 1/2 cup of garbanzo beans. That way you're going to get in a lot of lovely, clean protein. Now, I also like to put greens in my salad. So romaine lettuce is delicious, or little gem lettuce, because it's sweet and crunchy. Don't just think about having lettuce for lunch or dinner. It's a wonderful breakfast food too, to get your greens in, your dark leafy greens. I also love to put in mint. You could put in some parsley, but I love the taste of mint in this salad. And of course, mint has a lot of very valuable phytochemicals in it and makes it taste so delicious. So you could make a big bowl, a minimum of this size, for your breakfast. And then you could add 3 different things. You could either add some chia seeds to it. Now, the one thing with the chia seeds is if you're going to add chia seed, I would add it, then make the salad the night before and maybe pour a little bit of water on it, or you could mix some chia seeds in a little bit of plant-based yogurt the night before and add that as a topping to this fruit salad. Because if you sprinkle the seeds right on, you're not going to get the full benefit, because with things like seeds like this, it goes in one end and out the other. The other thing that you can do is you can grind your chia seeds to a powder in a blender or a spice mill or a coffee grinder. And so it's like a powder, and then that way your body will be able to digest it. But this is a great way to get your omegas into your breakfast, your omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6s. The other thing that you can add is you can add a tablespoon of flax seed. And I really highly, highly recommend this. It'll obviously make it a little bit drier. So you might want to add a little bit of water, or you could mix it into, again, a little bit of plant-based yogurt. But you want to have your flax seed. This is very rich in omega-3, specifically fatty acids and lignans, which are preventative against breast cancer. So flax seed meal is the same as ground flax seeds, but you want it to be ground. Don't have them, again, it's the same as chia. Don't eat whole flax seeds because they'll go in one end and out the other. And then finally, you can add some hemp hearts, which I love to add because it's shelled hemp seeds, because they contain so much protein and omegas 3s and 6s. So you could sprinkle, at least 2 tablespoons, if not 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts on your fruit salad. And that's it. And then you can just make it in a lovely bowl, or make it in a glass container with a lid on it. And you're good to go. You can take it with you. You could have it for breakfast when you get to work, or at lunch, or an afternoon snack. But either way, this is going to be really, really healthy. It really, truly is one of the healthiest breakfasts that you can eat. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. How easy, right? We don't have to overthink things. We don't need all these fancy, crazy powders and superfoods and supplements and everything that everybody would have you believe that you need to take for, health and weight loss and gut health and all this. No, it's really, really basic. As a nutritionist, for over a decade now, a clinical nutritionist with really a focus on weight release and weight management. It's so important that we just stick with the facts. And the facts are actually way more simple than many would have you believe. So just go ahead, try that breakfast. Let me know in the comments if you've done something like that, or if that seems like something that you might want to try. And if you are struggling on your journey, on your weight and health journey, then don't hesitate to click on the link below this video, and you can see how I've helped many women, and even how I can potentially help you. Also, check out my other hundreds of videos, and I'm sure you'll find something that will help you and that resonates with you. I'll see you next time.